Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute someone's live notification in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Now click on the profile of the person of whose you wanna mute the notification. First, you'll have to follow this person. Then tap on 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Here you can see Mute Live Notifications option. Tap on it. And that is how you can mute someone's live notification in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.